How to make money with Instagram stories with less than 100 followers. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Also in the middle of nowhere right now, as you can see. There's nobody out here, so I'll probably die. Don't really know where I am. There's bullet holes on that sign over there, but life is good. And while life is good, we're going to talk about how to make money on Instagram with less than 100 followers. And on this video, I'm going to give you one specific strategy that will work for anybody, regardless of what niche you're in, what country you're in, what product or service you want to offer, or if you don't have a product or service, you're going to be able to find one and be able to use this strategy I'm going to give you right here, right now on this video for you to be able to get started. And once again, this works even if you only have 100 followers or less. It doesn't matter. It's only going to continue to work better as your follower count increases. And as a matter of fact, you can also at the same time use this strategy to increase your follower count. So before we get into this, really big favor, guys, if you are brand new to the channel, please subscribe and make sure to tap that notification bell, because I'm always trying to bring you the most valuable, creative, resourceful content that I can when it comes to making money on Instagram. So go ahead and please do that for me right now, because I promise you I'm going to give you back tenfold in value if you subscribe and tap that notification bell right now. So without further ado, now that you have that out of the way, okay, I just saw like 46 horses all go by. Should have probably kept the camera rolling for that. So say you're selling horses on Instagram. I'm just kidding. Let's talk about this Instagram story strategy that I want to be able to help you guys with so you can start making money, okay? So when you post an Instagram story, you're obviously able to see if people view it, right? Okay. So any of these people that are viewing your stories, they clearly have some level of interest. It might not be a lot, it might be a little bit, maybe they're really loyal, maybe they're following you already, not sure, but the reality is, and the point is, that they are viewing your Instagram stories. Whether it's a picture or video, they are viewing it, okay? This viewer has some engaged level of interest with your account, with the content you're posting. They're vibing with it, okay? Some of you are vibing with this shirt, some of you are not. The cowboys that keep coming by here, they're like, who is this city little bitch right here out here? When in reality, I can mend fences, I can drive tractors, I know more about John Deere history from 1837 all the way to 1960 than probably anybody with a YouTube channel, and it's the truth. It's the truth, actually. The Model D was John Deere's longest running tractor. They made it as a wheatland tractor from 1923 to 1953. It was unstyled until 1939, which means it didn't actually have a cover over the radiator or the fan shroud or anything like that. Like, I could keep going. I could spill all of this knowledge like a rap song on John Deere, because I know a lot about John Deere, okay? So Instagram stories, people are viewing it, and you want to be able to turn this into money. So what you can do is you can message your story viewers. And this message would look something like, hey, thank you so much for viewing my stories. Really appreciate it. What do you do for work? Or where do you live? Or what do you do? Like, start building a little bit of rapport with them, okay? Start establishing a relationship. And when you're asking that question, like, what do you do? You're getting an idea for like what they like, okay? So start asking them, like, what do you do? What do you enjoy doing? What are you here to learn on Instagram? Why did you choose to follow me? Like, don't hammer them all with that. Those are just questions that you could pick one, individually ask them. Get the conversation going. They're going to be surprised that you message them. And when they start responding, like, say you have a nature account, okay? And you post pictures of like monkeys and trees and penguins walking around and like pushing each other over and falling off icebergs and stuff like that. You start getting an idea for that. They really like nature, okay? So you're like, okay, that's awesome. Cool. What do you enjoy the most about nature? And I really appreciate you following me and stuff like that. You start building that connection, and then go over to Amazon and sign up as an Amazon affiliate, or go to ClickBank, okay, which is actually here in Idaho, like 20 minutes from me. Go to ClickBank and sign yourself up as a ClickBank affiliate. And in the ClickBank affiliate marketplace, you're going to find products in the organic or in the nature or in the health or hospitality niche or whatever. And these can be books, they could be presentations, they could be tools, they could be softwares in your niche. So you go grab that link real quick. You go, you know what? You DM them, you go, I have an idea and I think you're actually going to love this, because you told me that you really like learning more about nature, right? I've actually got this book that is a list of like the 100 most awesome places to visit in the world, and you learn all about it. It gives you like all these little discounts on like, you know, travel tips and stuff like that. Is that something that you would kind of like? Because it's really inexpensive. I think you could probably pick up a copy. As a matter of fact, I think I have a copy on discount right now if you like. Wait for them to say yes. Go grab your link on ClickBank or Amazon to that product you're an affiliate of, and then send it to them in the DM, okay? They click on it. they buy it, okay? And if they don't follow through with them, like, hey, I'm just checking in, like, let me know, because I'd really love you to get your hands on that book. It's really great, and I think it'll do wonders for you, and you'll probably learn a lot from it. People like to learn, okay? So you do that, you send them the link, they buy it, you get the commission. Now, if you want to take this a step farther, I'm going to give you a strategy that's going to increase your ROI, your return, okay? You have no investment, return on investment. You have zero investment. You're not spending any money to do this, okay? But I'm going to give you another strategy that you can use to kind of complement this and enhance your results with it, okay? And really quick, before I do that, I do want to invite you guys to the web class that I'm hosting on how you can start a 6 to 7 figure business with Instagram. I've already been able to do that. I'm actually out here right now looking for land. I know, like, I'm a ways out here. Check this out, guys. Like, I am in the middle of nowhere, like, quite literally, and it seems like that, but actually just back this way, these lots back here are all $500,000, $700,000 because this is Eagle. And Eagle, Idaho is like the most elite suburb of Boise. And the average income here is about $96,000 per year. So, you know, it is higher, like twice, 2.5 times the national average here in America. But really, really nice. 5-10 acre lots. It's beautiful, okay? By the way, guys, go ahead and drop a comment below. I want to know what your struggle is when it comes to monetizing Instagram. And I also want to know, like, what you're doing on Instagram, okay? Are you a consumer or are you a producer? Because if you're consuming, you're the one spending the money. If you're producing, you're the one getting paid the money. Don't consume, produce, okay? So what I want to talk to you about next is a strategy that you can use to sort of complement, all right, what you're going to be doing here. And what that is post your stories, but run a poll. And this is called the story poll hack, okay? And the story poll hack is essentially where, like, say I have this watch, okay? This is a really nice watch right here, all right? Really nice watch, expensive, okay? And then say I have another watch, and this is like my product. I found a watch I can be an affiliate of, or maybe it's my own company and I'm selling watches or whatever, okay? So I have this watch. And then I have this other watch that's like also like okay, but it's like not really a super nice watch, right? And so I post a poll, and I've got this really nice watch on this side, and I've got this other watch. There's no watch here, but I've got another watch on this side, okay? It could be just a picture of them lying on, you know, a piece of paper, or maybe you Googled it online, you found it, or maybe you're literally like wearing two watches, and this one's clearly way nicer, okay? And this is the one you know you can sell, but your audience doesn't know that. So you run a poll, and you say left or right, okay? This watch or this watch, all right? And you let that run, check it 2 hours, 4 hours, up to 24 hours later, right? And you're clearly going to see that obviously 9 out of 10 people are voting that this watch is the best, right? So this watch is the one that you can sell. And so later what you do is you post another story that says 25% off right now today, DM me. Or maybe once you have 10,000 followers, you do 25% off, swipe up, only 7 left, okay? So, because they already mentally and verbally, like they voted yes on the poll to this watch, the one on the left, okay? So they've already like emotionally committed that this is the one that they like. They've developed, it's called mental ownership in sales. They've developed mental ownership that they want this one, okay? Now, the thing is, okay, how many of these people are tire kickers that we can turn into buyers, okay? So the next story runs 25% off, link in bio, 25% off, DM me, only 7 left, 25% off, all right? Swipe up to get the discount, use coupon code cool watch today only, 24-hour sale, whatever, okay? And you run that. What you can additionally do is go to the voters of the poll on the previous story, look at all the people that voted yes, DM them. So it's just taking it a step farther. It's taking it a step farther than just like posting a story and then DMing people. You're actually, what you're doing now is you're dropping a product or a service or whatever it is in front of them. You're running a poll on that. The people that are voting yes, you're targeting them because they said like, yeah, they do like it. Now it's a question of how serious are they about wanting or buying it. That's where you get your sales skills coming in a little bit, and you close the deal in the DMs. Like they said, it all goes down in the DM. Hey guys, my name is Ben Oberg. I've turned 7 figures on Instagram. I want to be able to help you guys do the same. This is for you. Stop thinking that you can't do it. Stop thinking that you're not the one. Stop thinking that you aren't special, because you are, and you can do it, okay? You've got tons of information. You probably just don't have the right information. And I want to be able to help you get access to the right information. So if you want to learn more, there's a link that I've included in my description. It's my web class to help you get started with Instagram. And if I can be of help with anything on your entrepreneurial journey, drop it in the comments. I'm always checking in on you guys. I appreciate you guys. If there's any topics you want me to talk about, please let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you succeed. So make sure to tap that notification bell. If you're brand new, subscribe, so I can deliver you 10x the value you've already gotten from me, all right? and I'll see you guys in the next video.